Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. I am Rehana Khan from Pakistan. Can I upload my pictures in social media with full hijab? What if any non-mahram will see my pictures? Will I be sinful or should I not upload my profile picture in social media? Thank you. Sister Rehana from Pakistan has asked a very important question, that can she upload her pictures in full hijab on the social media? What if non-mahram see? Will she get a sin? Should she do it or not? Full hijab is a very vague term. If you are saying full hijab meaning full niqab covering your full face, then I would say there is no problem. But then what is the benefit? If you are going to upload your picture with a full niqab, then irrespective of who is the woman, you won't come to know. So what is the benefit? If you are meaning full hijab means having your hair covered, your head covered and showing your face, then I would say that according to me, there are different opinions in the scholars that should a woman upload her photographs for the public, can the public see? The group of lenient scholars, especially among the Western world, who are more lenient, they say no problem. Among those scholars who are more strict and following more of the Quran and Sunnah, they say it is not permitted for a woman to upload her photograph for the public, for the non-mahram to see. And it's a sin. Would you be sinning? According to me, yes. If a non-mahram watches, then you are inviting and you are encouraging them. So even though you are wearing a hijab, that is a scarf, and your face is seen, I agree with those group of scholars who say that it is haram for a woman to upload her photograph because the face is seen. I agree with those group of scholars, and according to me, it's a sin a woman should not do. But I know today there are many women, especially in the Western world, who come and give lectures and mixed gathering, and they quote Quran and they say it is no problem. But there are another group of lenient scholars who are more compromising. They say it's no problem, but according to me, it is not permitted. Voice is okay, voice doesn't come in the aura, but the face, yes, comes. I don't believe that covering the face is a fard. According to me, I believe in the fatwa of Sheikh Nasr al-Albani that covering the face is not fard for a woman. But showing your face and the photograph when non-mahram is going to watch, I believe this kind of photography where face of woman is seen can be seen only by the mahram and by the family members and by the woman. If you are uploading on the social media, imagine whether it be on the Facebook, there are gents who are non-mahram will watch. There are many Muslim lady who put their photograph on the WhatsApp as the DP. I'm sure there are men who will be watching. I believe it's not correct. Whether you are showing your hair or not showing your hair, showing your hair is all the more bad. Not showing your hair also, according